Hello, good day, all my dear friends. I'm Oliver from Oliver Hobby. Let's unbox one customized Benz tractor truck. It is 8x8 heavy load off-road one. So let's see it. Okay, now it is ready for operation. So assemble the decoration horn, mirror, wiper, the handle, light protection, the sign bands, and lift up the cabin. Here that's the suction filter decorating parts, plastic one. So put it back, lock. Let's start. And let's see, so have three different lights. The main light from bumper circulating off and on. And also here, rear side, this position, have three lights. Turn around. On top, we got warning light bar, changing different. And also this one, green warning light, off, on, switching different flashing. Let's start the horn and engine sound. So front two-axle steering with one powerful servo. And later when we see the chassis, you will see this one have 3-speed metal gearbox, middle transfer case differential lock, all axle have differential lock, and the rear side got 2 winch. So 8x8 drive, and each hub all alloy, and in the hub have speed reduction gearbox. So each tire, each wheel is giving much more torque for driving. And you see got 2 spare rim with tires, left and right. And let's see all the details about. So all cabin plastic, door cannot open. And front we have this pin for front tooling. Lift up the cabin. There we got the receiver. Here supporting bar, light, LED connecting board, driver ESC. So here you will see this simulation cooling, have a fan turning inside. That's the soundboard. Here that's the volume control, decrease, increase. And this one, that's all metal die-cast shell 3-speed metal gearbox. And here that's inside, on top, inside, that's the servo for shifting gear. This bar for locking cabin. Let's see shifting gear. Now, when rising, I will reduce a little bit so you can hear me clearly. So this servo now is pulling the shifting gear bar forward. That's low speed. Check it out. And middle speed. Push it backward, high speed. Shifting back to middle, slow turning, engage the gear, low speed. So here that's the equipment box. The chimney is all steel one, and got here this cover, magnetic secure. We got the battery put inside 3S battery XD60 connection. Cover it back. That's for locking also, yeah. Push in position. Yeah, and all this mud guard, that's steel one, also the rear side. So here, fifth seat, unlock, lock. That's steel seat, steel, also this one steel one. The girder is all steel one. Here this plate also steel, and the left and the right have the ladder pull out, pushing down, right side pull out, and pushing it down, push it back, rising, push it back. On top, this spare rims tire with this frame. This frame is also a steel one. Under there we got 2 winch and the hook secure with the pin here. Let's move it out. The right one, pull out, release. With a lot of power, pulling back. Left one, release, and release the hook. Out, pulling back. On top, here got one toolbox, steel one, it's empty. Can put tools inside. And watch here, we got also a stair and a step to top. Here we got one more box here, also steel one. On top, these 2 ruler for going through roofs. And if you see carefully, here have the decorations. This one, actually, the flap can open. This supporting bar push, unlock, then putting down the cabin, align with the lock, and lock it back. Let's turn around to see the right side of the truck. So right side here got one more steel decorating box. Here this one is a plastic one. Top cover plastic. Bottom it is a metal one. I will turn a little bit so you can see it's steel one. And check the details. Also got this metal box. And this side of the equipment frame got this stopper. Secure back. Sorry, turn around. Rear side bumper, steel one. Here got the hook, this pin. And for rear side LED with protection net, this one it is a steel one. And also front bumper, it is also a steel one, this white part. So here for the main girder, you will see bottom is the main girder through rear to front. On top have auxiliary girder for assembling the 5th seat, the plate, this frame and equipment box. So it's auxiliary is until this position to the rear side and the front is here. And let's tilt it to the left, check the chassis. So you will see the spare tire, one is narrow, one is wide. So it's the difference from forward to its narrow one, rear is wide one. So the chassis, first let's see the steering. So from this end, you can see the connecting bar. Later we will see from the left side. So you will see the servo, it is under this equipment box in the middle. And for each axle, it is die-cast metal. Inside it's hardened steel gears. And here that's the transfer case with differential lock. Drive, to see the CVT drive shaft, it's all shining steel metal, yeah. So the bottom of the shifting gearbox. And here you also can see simulation fan cooler with the fan inside turning. And for the front axle suspension, it is secured with steel plate, second cm. And here we will see the servo. This one wire. This small servo is for differential lock for the middle transfer case. This servo with 4 wires is for 4-axle differential lock. So now when we drive in, if I hold in the rear side, you will see it's at a differential. Only front will be turning. If I hold in front, would be only rear side is turning. Here, rear side. Front holding. Also, if I put it down, you will check rear side turning. Front turning, that's middle transfer case differential lock. So turning around again. This servo, check it out. So I will push it. Now it is locked. So 4-axle all have power. Drive, all turning. All turning. So all 4-axle now middle transfer case locked. It's all 4-axle have power. And on the right side, this servo lock 4-axle differential lock, unlock. That's the locking position. So now it would be 8x8 driving. So rear side suspension you will see because it's rolling a lot. So when I lift up, this one side dropping the tires is touching a little bit. So only when I lift a little bit, you will see it's turning free. But normal condition, they will not touching. So only one rock, another one, see how much it can rolling. And the chassis. So rear side, the suspension is different from front axle. Here you will see the steel plate connecting bar. So to here, and on top we have the V-shaped connecting bar balancing the 2 axle. Also we can see from top this position. So that's the on top 2 connecting bar with the pin. So here, each rim inside sees this black round box. Inside that's the reduction gearbox. Second axle and rear through axle. This one is more bigger because when we see from outside, you will see. So this one got more space outside. So inside is more going inward like this. So turn around, we will see from right side for the steering servo. So steering servo, actually it is secured under there. I will turn around. So check from here. This position, that's the servo rock arm. So the servo is secured on this equipment box in the middle of the auxiliary girder, this position. Turning to see how all these connecting bar moving for steering 2 axle same time. The net weight, the chassis is all metal, so very heavy one. So it's around 10.8 kg with the 3S battery. So let's drive it around. Now it is at low speed, at a differential. Release the differential. So normal driving only at the differential for better steering. Only on the mud road or slippery rocks, we lock the differential lock and the middle transfer case lock. So this one with the powerful driver motor and the speed reducing gearbox and hub reducing gearbox, you will see you can drive it really slow and powerful, slowly speed up. That's low speed. Backward, full. That's full speed at low speed. So shifting, let's see again, forward at full. Shifting to middle speed. Backward. Let's shift into high speed. Again, we need more space. It's very fast one. Full ahead. And that's the brake. Let's see fully backward. Shifting back to low speed and check the rear side light. Turning left, right, forward, brake. That's the braking light. And the second time reverse, you got the white light. And engine on off. Okay, thank you for watching, and I will soon bring you more interesting models. See you.